tiyo gi omenda maromo bilion 620 e higa ka higa e kelo chiemo madonjo e pachoka kowuok e pinje maoko. Kano loso gi jofwambo e boma ma Mombasa, jatend migawo no koni okenge masani giketo e tim neno ni jopur kaachiel kod jopith yudo thuolo maber mar pur mabiro kelo yuto kendo duoko chien kwan chiemo mawuok e pinje maoko. Jakom komiti mar pur e duol mar Senate Ken Lusaka koni tend Kaontis nyaka koro tii kanyakla gi piny owacho e bero weche mag pur. Wach mano osir gi Gavana Mutahi Kahiga magine giwacho bang' bengi mar piny mangima World Bank chwalo omenda maromo dola milion 450 ne migawo mar pur e pachoka mar jiwo weche mag pur kod pith.
Imekuwa ikiagiza chakula kingi sana kutoka nje kama vile cereals, mafuta na mambo mengine. Pesa ile tumekuwa tukitumia Kenya ni kama bilioni 620 kwa kuagiza chakula kutoka nje. Sasa sisi kama wizara na uongozi wa rais wetu, unajua kilimo iko mstari mbele ya kuweza kubadilisha mambo ya kiuchumi. Kama umetufuatilia vizuri, ndio tunataka bajeti iongezewe, lakini ile bajeti tunataka iongezewe ni iweke kwa ile mipango inaweza kumsaidia mkulima kuweza kuzalisha chakula.
And I just want to ask other ministries to collaborate with the counties the way the Ministry of Agriculture has done, because like I said, there are no national government citizens and county government citizens. Just we all belong to Kenya, and Kenya, every part of Kenya is a county. Therefore, with collaboration, we achieve a lot.
Like we have observed, 80% of our funding in agriculture is coming from the World Bank, and that is not a very, very sustainable model. We need to increase our own funding, but over and above everything else, we must appreciate the close collaboration that has seen us be able to absorb $450 million into the counties through the Ministry of Agriculture and ourselves, and we want to request for more collaboration.